n8n.io is a powerful open-source workflow automation tool that allows you to automate tasks between different apps and services without writing code. Here's how you can get started. Sign up for n8n.io. Visit n8n.io and sign up for a free account. You can use the cloud version or self-host n8n on your own server. Explore the dashboard. Once logged in, you'll be taken to the workflow editor where you can start building your automations. The dashboard displays options to create, manage and track workflows. Create your first workflow. To create a workflow, click on New Workflow. Add nodes and define the flow of actions by connecting them. For example, you can start with a trigger and connect it to an action. Configure triggers and actions. Each node can be configured by selecting the specific action you want it to perform. You can connect multiple nodes to create complex workflows. Test and activate the workflow. Test your workflow to ensure everything is working as expected. Once satisfied, activate the workflow to run automatically.